Officer, and I'm here to explain to you how your academic representation structure works. So, around 300 students are elected every year through their department to become academic reps. Reps act as a vital link between students, the university, and us in the union to ensure that your issues get dealt with appropriately. Reps meet with their department several times a year to deal with subject-specific issues, and university-wide issues and campaigns are brought to Academic Executive, which is formed of all the institute reps, there's 14 of those, and managed by me, the Education Officer. It's a really great opportunity for you to make the most of your time here and develop skills such as teamwork, communication and negotiation. Your time as a rep will also go on your Higher Education Achievement Report, which tells future employers what else you did alongside your degree. If you want to find out more, come and say hi to us in the CTU building or drop us an email.